We are coming to every year to METALTECH, and METALTECH is the best exhibition where we can show our technology as well as to maintain the contract with the customers. From this show, just in the first day, we sold 2 machines.
It's a very good show. I think these METALTECH shows, they attract quite a good crowd where there's many potential customers that we can find from here.
A lot of customers visiting to Amada. The location-wise, I think the everything facility is really good.
This is a very good show for Malaysian industry and also Malaysian technologies.
AUTOMEX, and it's our main event of the year. Very good platform for the manufacturing industry, and we look forward to exhibit here many years in the future.
Yeah, we are very excited with the crowd, and we're very happy for this exhibition because in AUTOMEX we get to showcase our company based out of Singapore to the Malaysia market, and we get to meet a lot of end users as well as OEM.
Since METALTECH is one of the biggest trade fair in Southeast Asia, we anticipate that the companies from Busan can meet a lot of clients from here in Malaysia. We were able to have a number of intense meetings with a lot of buyers, distributors here.
Yeah, it's an amazing place. I think new location as well. So it's kind of a spacious, and it's easy to see all the machines that is being displayed, which is good. Yeah.
Very good opportunity for us to find any new machine for our company and to apply the IR 4.0 in our company.
Oh wow, it's fantastic. I think the crowd and the visitors are amazing. Also the exhibitors, plenty of variety. Lots of interesting new technologies, machineries, robots especially. And also I would say that it's a very good networking session in terms of collaborating with our partners.